Hello guys, today I'm going to tell basics of to solve Rubik's cube. Now there are two types. There is right algorithm and left algorithm. Right algorithm means your right hand and there is right row. You should up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. That is called right algorithm. Now left algorithm means same. Take your left hand and left row. Do up, right, down, left. It's the opposite of right algorithm. Up, right, left, down, left. Up, right, down, left. So this is the basics of how to solve a Rubik's cube. Now let's solve this Rubik's cube. Here you can see for white we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this plus mark we'll have. Now find it. This plus mark should go to yellow. 1, 2 and 3 and now 4 plus came. Now here you can see colors with white block. Now match the colors. Green. Now take the block to the white color. Like this, match all the colors and take the blocks to the white color. Now we got full plus in white. Now we need the corners. Find the corners. 1 and 2. Here we have white block. This should come here. How can we do means here orange, blue is there. Here orange and blue is there. No. So find orange and blue. Here blue is there, but this is not correct. Orange, blue, it should be in the middle. Now here we should do right algorithm. Up, left, down, right. Till it come here, you should do the same. See, it came. Now you should stop. Here you might get some doubt. So find the block and it's here. Match it. Do the same process again. Now here we have white block. This is the wrong place. This block should be here. This block should be here. Now let's do right algorithm. Now the block came here. Red and blue and white. Now there is here orange and green is there. Where is orange? Here green is there, here orange is there. Now we should perform right algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the block, not this. Don't get confused. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, now we got. Till it will come here, do the right algorithm. Now here green and red is there. Here green is there and red is here. Perform the right algorithm. Yes, it is correct. Now here orange and blue. Orange and blue. Now right algorithm. See, we got the first line. full first line we got, and white is finished. For second line, come to my channel and there is Rubik's Cube solving part 2. Okay, bye bye.